Overview and history. British officers, 1860, British India. Badminton is a racket sport that is played of a court divided by a net 5 feet high. The game is played with a shuttlecock bird. Can be played as single or doubles. The object of the game is to hit the shuttlecock over the net so that eventually the opponent is unable to return the shot. In England, it was called badminton. Japan, Hanitsuki. India, Pune, Town of Pune. 1893, Badminton Association of England. 1899, All England Open Badminton Championship. In 1972 and 1988, Olympic Exhibition Game. In 1992, Barcelona Olympics Badminton become Olympic sports. Is safety. 1. Make sure to always have firm grip on the racket. 2. Be careful not to hit your partner with the racket. 3. Stay on your own court. 4. Stop playing if others enter your court. 5. If your bird goes into another court, wait until their play to stop. And the last one is be careful and aware of your surroundings.
Equipment. Rackets are fragile, avoiding hitting the floor, walls, posts, nets, and other people. Handle the shuttlecocks carefully and only by the rubber tips. If birds get stuck in the net, remove them carefully so that they don't tear. If your assigned racket is damaged, report it to your teacher at the beginning of class. If you don't, you are held responsible for the damage and will be fined. Make sure to return your racket to its numbered spot and bring all the birdies back to the teacher. Techniques. Serve. Long or short. Forehand. For right-handed player, a stroke hit when the shuttle is on the right side of the body. For left-handed player, a stroke hit when the shuttle is on the left side of the body. Round the head. An overhead stroke played on the left or backhand side of the body. Smash. A hard hit overhand stroke with a fast downward path. It is a main attacking stroke. Drive. A powerful hit forehand or backhand stroke when just clear the top of the net. Clear. A stroke which sends the shuttle high over the opponent's head and drops near the backcourt boundary line. It may be hit with an overhand or underhand stroke. Can be used as offensive or defensive play. Drop shot. The shuttle is struck over the net so it drops very close to the net.
Points are scored only by the serving side. The point is rewarded to the serving side whenever the other side commits a fault. Scoring continue. Doubles. There are 15 points in a doubles game. When the score is 13-all, the side that reaches 13 first has the option of setting the game to 5. If the score becomes 14-all, the side that reaches 14 first has the option of setting the game to 3. After the game has been set, the score is called love all, and the side that first scores 5 or 3 points wins the game. Singles. There are 11 points in a single game. When the score is 9-all, the first person to reach 9 can set the score to 3. If the score is tied at 10, the first person to reach 10 can set the score to 2.
General rules. Winner of the first game must serve first in the next game. Team changes sides after each games. Any shuttle landing on the lines are good. During a rally, if the shuttle touches the net and goes over, it is good. Strategy: put your opponent on the defensive. Hit the bird so that your opponent's only possible return is an upward direction. Use the smash if possible. Play to your opponent's weakness. Use a variety of shots and keep your opponent moving. Recover your own court position with systems of play. Doubles. Side by side. Defensive positioning. Each player is responsible for one side of the court. Good positioning to defend against a smash. Up and back defensive positioning. One player in front half, the other in back half. This allows the team to put pressure on the other team. Combination of both systems. When a team the shuttle in the air, they assume side by side position to defend against the smash. At other times they are in up and back positions.
Terminology: alley is an extension of the width of the court by 1/6 on both sides, used in doubles. Back alley: between the doubles back service line and the singles back service line. Baseline: baseline is another name for the back boundary line. And bird is the officially known as shuttlecock, referred to as shuttle. Carry holding the shuttle on the racket before stroke, also called sing or a throw. This is illegal. Center or basic position: position in which a player stands in relation to court, net, opponents, and shuttle. Clear is high deep shot to the back boundary line. Double hit: hitting the shuttle twice in the same stroke. This is illegal. Doubles is the game of 4 players, 2 on each team. Drive is a hard hit horizontal flight over the net. Drop shot is a stroke hit with very little speed that falls very close to the net on the opponent's side. Fault any violation of the rules. Game is a game consists of 15 points in doubles and 11 points in singles. Home position: ideal court spot for waiting the opponent's return. Inside is the side having the right to serve, and inning is term of service. Kill is a fast downward shot which usually cannot be returned, and let is the play that is allowed to be replayed. Lob is also called clear, high clear, or a drive-in clear that goes over the opponent's head. Love: no score, the score at the beginning of the game and after setting the score. And the match is best 2 out of 3 games. Mixed doubles is a games played with partners of the opponents of the opposite sex. Outside is the side receiving the serve. Hand down is the loss of serve in doubles, while serve or service is the act of putting the shuttle into play. Set up is a poor shot which makes a kill easy. And singles is game involving 2 players on each side of the court. And smash is hard hit overhead shot which forces the shuttle sharply downward, the main attacking stroke.